Good morning, students. Now it's time for your maths class, and today I will be doing revision work of word problems. So, as I said, you have I will be doing word problems. So, in word problems you have to do the steps. Without steps, the word problems will be incorrect. So now let's start. Solve the following word problem. Look at the first sum. So Kanya saw 5,396 birds in a bird sanctuary. Tamanna saw 1,240 birds. How many birds? How many birds they see altogether? See, first you have to write down. First you have to write down the units: thousand, hundreds, tens, ones. Then write down the steps. First steps. Sukanya saw so much birds in a bird sanctuary. Tamanna saw so much birds in the bird sanctuary. And now the question is asked: how many birds did they see altogether? So the first step you have to write down: number of birds Sukanya saw in a bird sanctuary is 5,396. Next step, number of birds Tamanna saw in a bird sanctuary is 1,240. Then you have to add these two numbers. 9. Then I don't. Therefore, total number of birds they saw altogether. Add it. Go to the ones place 606. Tens. 9 plus 4 will be 3. 9 plus 4 13. Then 1 carry 3. Next hundreds place 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 2 6. Write down 6 under the hundreds column. Then go to the thousand column. 5 plus 1 6. So the answer will be 6,636. Now write down the answer. So Kanya and Tamanna saw 6,636 birds altogether in a bird sanctuary. Look at the next one. In a village there are 3,437 men and 2,513 women. There are 1,002 children also in a town. What is the total population of the town? So first understand the sums, what is being asked. In a village, so much are men, number of are women, and there are also children. There are children in a town. Now the question is, what is the total population of the town? Total population means even men, women and children all together. That is the population. So number one, sir, what will you write down? Number of men in a village. First write down the units: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Then let's start the steps. Number of men in a village 3,437. Next step, number of women in a village 2,513. Next, there are number of children in a town 1,002. Then you have to add these three numbers. Now therefore the total number of population of the town, you have to add these three numbers. Now go first, add the ones column. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 2 will be 12. Write down 2 under the ones column and carry 1 to the tens. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. Write down 5 under the tens column. Then go to the hundreds column. 5 plus 4 9. Write down 9 under the hundreds column. Then go to the thousand column. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 under the thousand column. Then write down 6,952. Right. Then write down the answer. 6,952 is the total population of the town. Look at the next question. Next sums. In a school, there are 2,510 girls. There are 300 boys more than the number of girls. How many boys are there? So first write down the steps. Number of girls in a first write down the units: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Write down the first step. Number of girls in a school 2,510. Next step, number of boys more than number of girls 300. Therefore total number of boys. Now add these two numbers. Go to the ones place. 0 plus 0 will be 0. Tens 1. Hundreds 5 plus 3 5 6 7 8. Write down 8 under the hundreds column. Then 2,000 2,000. Now the answer is write down the answer. 2,810 boys are there in a school. Now look at the next one. Solve the following. Sanju has 2115 books of art and 1413 English books. How many books does he have in all? So write on the first step, number of arts books. First write down the units, ones, tens, 100 units. First step, number of books Sanju has 2115. Number of English books Sanju has 1413. Therefore, total number of books he has in all. Add these two numbers. Write, add the ones column, 5 plus 3, 8, tens, 1 plus 1, 2, hundreds, 4 plus 1 will be 5, 1000, 2 plus 1 will be 3. So, now write down the answer. Sanju has 3528 books in all. Go to the next one. 4,113 toys were sold by the shopkeeper in the morning, and 1,412 toys were sold in the afternoon. How many toys were sold by the end of the day? So, a shopkeeper had sold 4,113 toys in the morning and 1,412 toys in the afternoon. The question is asked, how many toys did he sell at the end of the day? So, first write down the first step. Number of toys the shopkeeper sold in the morning is, write down the steps, ones, tens, hundreds are units, ones, tens, 100,000. First step, number of toys the shopkeeper sold in the morning is 4,113. The next step, number of toys the shopkeeper sold in the afternoon is 1,412. Therefore, total number of toys sold is, we have to add. Go to ones column, 3 plus 2 will be 5, tens, 1 plus 1 will be 2, hundreds, 1 plus 4 will be 5, 1000, 4 plus 1 will be 5. So the answer is 5,525 toys were sold by the end of the day. Next, look at the next sums. On Monday, 1,465 envelopes were delivered to the post office, and on Tuesday 1,768 envelopes were delivered. How many letters were delivered on both the days? So write down the steps. Envelopes delivered to the post office on Monday is 1,465. And envelopes delivered to the post office on Tuesday is 1,768. Now next, therefore total letters delivered on both the days is, you have to add the numbers. Go to the ones column, 5 plus 8 will be 13. Write down 3 under the ones column and 1 above the tens. Then 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 1 will be 13. Write 3 under the tens column and 1 at the hundreds place. Now at the top of the hundreds. And 4 plus 1 will be 5, 5 plus 7 will be 12. So write down 2 under the hundreds column and 1 at the top of the thousand. So 1 plus 1 will be 2, 2 plus 1 will be 3. So therefore total letters delivered in both the days is 3,233. Answer, 3,233 letters were delivered on both days. Now look at the next one. Riya's mom baked 2,410 cookies and Mita's mom baked 2,576 cookies. How many cookies do they have altogether? So Riya's mom baked so much cookies and Mita's mom baked so much cookies. The question is asked, how much cookies do they have altogether? So we have to write down the steps. Cookies baked by Riya's mom is 2,410. Cookies baked by Mita's mom is 2,576. Therefore, total cookies baked is, you have to add these two numbers. Go to the ones column. 0 plus 6 will be 6. Tens will be 1 tens plus 7 tens will be 8 tens. Hundreds. 4 tens plus 5 tens will be 9 tens. 1,000. 2 plus 2,000 plus 2,000 will be 4,000. Therefore, total cookies baked is 4,986. Now write down the answer. Altogether, 4,986 cookies were baked. Look at the next one. A baker made 4,156 muffins and had 1,750 in a stock. How many muffins does he have in all? So muffins made by a baker is how much? 4,156. Muffins baker had in stock is 1,750. Therefore, total muffins baker had in all is 0 plus 6, 6 plus 0 will be 0, 5 plus 5 will be 10, write 0 under the tens column and carry 1 to the hundreds. 1 plus 1 will be 2, 2 plus 7 will be 9. So write down 9 under the hundreds column. 4,000 plus 1,000 will be 5,000. Now next the answer is 5,906 muffins baker had in all. Now next, Ramesh has 3,150 candies. His sister gave him 1,297 more candies. How many candies does he have in all? So number of candies Ramesh has is 3,150. Number of candies his sister gave is 1,297. Therefore total number of candies you have to add these two numbers. Now add 0 plus 7 will be 7 tens. 5 tens plus 9 tens will be 40. Write down 4 under the tens column. Carry 1 at the hundred. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 will be 4. Write down 4 under the hundreds column. Now go to the 1,000. 3,000 plus 1,000 will be 4,000. Write down the answer. Ramesh has 4,447 candies in all. Now look at the next problem sums. Mr. Roy has 845 toy cars, out of which he gave away 345 toy cars to Hemant. How many toy cars are left with him? So first understand them. So much toy Mr. Roy had. Out of that, the number of toys which he had, out of that, he gave so much toys to Hemant. How many toys are left with him? So with the sums only, you have to understand this, you have to subtract it, you have to minus it. Imagine a number of things you had, from that particular thing you gave so much to your friend. So in this case your thing will be lesser, so you have to subtract it. So write down the steps. Total number of toys Mr. Roy has 804. Write down the step. Write down the units, ones, tens, 100. 804. Total number of toy cars Mr. Roy has 845. Number of cars Mr. Roy gave to Hemant is 345. Therefore, number of toy cars left with him is, you have to subtract. Go to the ones column. 5 minus 5 will be 0. Tens. 4 minus 4 will be 0. Hundreds column. 8 minus 3 will be 8 minus 3 will be 5. So write down 5. So the number, therefore number of cars left with him is 500. So always I am telling you, first understand the sum. It is not necessary that sometimes in the question of addition or subtraction, multiplication all together come. That means if you see two numbers you will add it. So understand the sums. And then write down the answer. Number 500 toy cars are left with Mr. Roy. So we have finished. We have done few sums. Go through it. Thank you.